Greetings traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. This is your halftime report for Thursday, October 22nd, 2009. This is what I'm looking at here today. A lot of boring sideways chop. For the past hour we've been in the same very tight price range here and can't seem to get any momentum in either direction. And all of the indicators, except for the VIX, are confirming that. So let's... Well, I'll talk about this. This morning, UPRO, or UPRO, stopped out on me as it shot down to 135.70. So I went long SPXU, and now we're stuck in this range. So I put on a bracket order. I'll sell it if it gets to my higher sell point, or I'll sell it if it gets to my lower sell point. Either way, it's not going to be very profitable or a big loss for that trade. I'm about to walk away from the market actually and be done for the week. I'd like to see some more decisive action tomorrow and maybe even Monday before I start getting back into things. Because right now we are, as I'll show you in a minute, still chopping around in our close to our high base range. Let's take a quick look around the markets here. Just look at the market internals. We have the tick. Remember the tick. The tick represents which way stocks are moving basically, and you can see that it's been hovering around the zero line most of the day. Around 10:45 it started going more bullish than bearish, and it is moving upwards slightly, but it's nothing too decisive there. The trend, if you'll recall, one second here. Alright, there we go. I drew a couple of these horizontal red lines on this trend chart here. Basically, 1 on the trend is neutral, and above 1.2 is bearish and below 0.8 is bullish. So this morning it looked like we were going to go bearish, and that's about the time that I picked up SPXU. But other than that, we came back down and we've been trading around neutral for most of the day. We are leaning on the bullish side of things, but once again, nothing decisive there. The VIX, however, did pop up a little bit this morning, but then for the most part, or right now, we're down 1.35% on the VIX, which should be confirming a move to the upside. But right now, we're only up 0.08% on the SPY, and should be up higher than that according to the VIX. So, obviously, we're seeing a lot of indecision here. We've been trading sideways all day. Would not be surprised if we finish sideways into the close. Let's take a look here at daily chart of SPY. As you'll notice, we are at the bottom of the high base that we formed once we gapped up last Wednesday. We were trading below this resistance line here at 108 for a while. Now it's acting as support, and we'll see if we can hold up in this high base. If we do close under 108 and make a lower low here, this will be a down leg. Could just be a small pullback, could be the start of something bigger. I don't know yet, and right now I'm practically bored to tears with the sideways market action that we're seeing. That's really it's frustrating to not have a move in one direction or the other. So that's the reason I'm going to walk away from this market. Real quick, I want to draw a fib here from yesterday's sell-off to today's low, and you'll see that we're trading right around the 38.2% mark, and that is bearish unless we cross that. So right now, statistically speaking, it is more probable for us to roll over and head lower from here. We'll have to see what happens. Check back this afternoon for my post-market analysis, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com.